A missing tool. A machine waiting. Production stalled, while someone searches the shop floor. VLC Tool Management System gives manufacturers real-time visibility into every tool, location, condition, inside Microsoft Business Central. Every tool is barcoded and tracked, so your team always knows where it is, who has it, and whether it's due for maintenance. Built-in AI analyzes tool usage and wear patterns to predict when maintenance is needed, scheduling it automatically, before a worn tool causes an issue. Manage tools and consumable inventory right from a mobile device, accurate stock levels, automatic reordering, and full accountability. Optimize every tool. Maximize every minute. That's VLC Tool Management System.